Hello, and welcome to your Business Central Role Center. This is essentially your homepage or landing page for Business Central. And from here, you can navigate to all different places within the system, granted if you've got permissions to those systems. Before we dive in and start sort of having a look around, I'm going to talk to you about the tools that are available on this page. Primarily, this one here, which is the search function. I can then start typing in to see places around Business Central that I want to go to. So with the example, I'm going to just type in customer. You'll see that it's given me plenty of options just for typing customer. Obviously, customer is quite an integral part of Business Central. The first section here is showing me what's available on the current page. And it says Business Manager because my role center is set up as the Business Manager. In a later video, I'll show you how to change your role center. But on this page, you can see I can create a customer, I can create a sales quote, register customer payments, and there's actually another two options as well. So if I click on Show More, I then get the Aged Accounts Receivables report or the Reconcile Imported Payments. So these are just things related to the customer that is found on the page I'm actually in. If I go down to the next section, so on Go to Pages and Tasks, it's found one of the lists in Business Central is obviously the customer list. And if I click on this, this is exactly what it will take me to. So to get back, I just can either click Escape or I can click this back button and it will take me back to my role center. So I want to carry on talking to you about this search functionality because there is certainly more to discuss with it. So I'm going to do exactly the same and do customer. And the next section down, you've got reports and analysis. So it's searched the system and has found 22 different reports that it can show me relating, that's got customer in the title or is relating to the customer. So I click Show All. You can see I've got customer top 10 list. I've got customer detailed aging, all the way down to detailed customer ledger entries. And these are all the different reports that it's found that are related to customer. So that's how to navigate around the system really nice and quickly. And like I said, it will only show you places that you actually have permissions to see as well. And permissions is something that we'll be covering in a much later video. One of the other features of this search function that is really great is that you don't need to be exact with where you're trying to get to. It will remember, it won't remember, it will sort of figure out what you're trying to get at. For example, if I wanted to navigate to general ledger setup, all I need to do is type in gen led set and it's found it for me. You generally have to type in the first three letters of any word and it will start searching there and then. While I'm here, actually, another really useful feature that you can do from this search function is to add these elements to your role center. So you can add pages and tasks to your role center directly. By doing that, I just hover over the general ledger setup and you can see this little bookmarks tab. If I click on that, it says this bookmark was added to the navigation pane on your role center. If I then close the search function, you can see it right here. So this section along the top is called the navigation pane. And you can see that I've just added it there. So yes, in a nutshell, that is your search function.